Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to clear watch history on the MP3 downloader YouTube player application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This is an ad, and we can skip that. Click to the three lines at the upper left corner of the screen and go to the settings icon. In the tools section you can find the second option, the clear watch history. Click that, and if you want to clear, click to the OK button and done. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.